Fourth class science, solids, liquids and gases lesson and gases. Okay, already we will discuss in previous class. Today we will discuss states of matter. States of matter. Okay, you know already matter means anything that occupies space and has weight. What is the meaning of matter? Anything occupy the space and weight. Okay, this matter is exist three states. This matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. These three are existing matter. Matter exists in three states, that are the solids, liquids and gases. Today we will discuss solids and liquids. Okay, here say children, hold your pen or pencil or anything, hold it. It is very hard. Yes, do you feel it's very hard? Yes, hard, and it is hard. Okay, it is a solid. Solids are the very hard. Okay, and solids have fixed shape. Solids have fixed shape and definite volume. And definite volume. Volume means, what is the volume? Volume means the space occupied by solid, liquid and gases. The space occupied by solid, liquid, gases are called as volume. Okay, solids have a fixed shape and definite volume. Okay, solids can be held. It is because the molecules of solids are the molecules of solid are very tightly packed. Very tightly packed. Okay, they cannot move around. Solids are the very tightly, they cannot move around. Okay, solids are the very hard and it's tightly packed and they do not move around. Okay, and however we can change it. We can change the shape of some solids. You can hold it pencil, it's changes shape? No, solids are the hard, do not change. But some solids like rubber ball, very forceful to press this rubber ball. Okay, very forceful to press this rubber ball, it's change the shape. Very forceful to press this rubber ball, it's change a shape. Solids are the do not change a shape, it is hard. But some solids are like rubber ball, it's very forceful to press this ball, it's change the shape. Okay, solids are the fixed shape and definite volume. Okay, the solids are the tightly packed and these are the move around. And these solids are do not change, but some solids are they change the shape. Which type of solids are change that shape? Rubber ball. It is rubber ball is very force and గట్టిగా ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ఫోర్స్ఫుల్గా ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ఇట్స్ చేంజ్ ఏ షేప్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ solids. Solids have a fixed shape and solids have a fixed value. Ante this solids also occupy the space. Solids also occupy the space. It is a solids. Okay, next liquids. Liquids means what? Liquids means water, milk. Yes, for examples, water and milk. Milk is a weight, is a hard? No. Can you hold it? Milk and water, can you hold it? No. Yes, it does not have fixed volume. It does not have fixed shape and volume. Liquids are the does not have shape and volume. Okay. In these liquids of the molecules and molecules of the liquid very loosely packed. Solids of the molecules of the solids have to packed tightly packed, but liquids of the molecules loosely packed and can move around. Liquids are the can move around. Solids are the do not move around. Liquids are the can move around. It can be poured. It is a one vessel. Okay. Kept in milk inside of the milk. It is a vessel shape. Milk is a vessel shape. And here say children, and can be poured into a vessel. Can be poured into a vessel in which they are kept. Thus liquid. Okay. It is a that shape, vessel shape. Okay. Not fixed shape. Liquids have a no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Okay. And we can take a bowl in liquid. It's a bowl shape. Liquid is a bowl shape. Take a container like big container. It is a container shape. It's not a fixed shape. Liquids are the no fixed shape and they can flow. If flow and move out. Solids are they do not flow and do not move. Liquids are they can flow. Can you understand two differences? Solids are they hard and do not move, and solids are the fixed shape. Solids are the fixed shape and fixed volume. Okay, and liquids are soft and smooth and do not can move. So liquids are the can move and no fixed shape and no but volume are there. Why? This also liquids also occupy the space. Okay, these are the two differences, two states of matter differences. Okay, liquids and solids. Okay, can you understand children? Yes. Okay, thank you.